Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to share a Google Sheets spreadsheet with others. Sharing a Google Sheet is a useful way to collaborate with teammates, friends, classmates, or other people. You can choose exactly who can access your spreadsheet and what they are allowed to do. To get started, open your Google Sheets spreadsheet and look for the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Share button to open the sharing options. From here, you can enter the email address of the person or people you want to share the spreadsheet with. You can also choose their permission level. Viewer allows someone to view the spreadsheet without making changes. Commenter allows them to add comments, while editor gives them permission to make changes to the spreadsheet. After selecting the appropriate permission, click Send to share the spreadsheet. You can also share your spreadsheet using a link. Under General Access, you can choose who can access the file and select the permission level you want to provide. Once the sharing settings are ready, you can copy the link and share it with others. And that's how you can share a Google Sheets spreadsheet with others. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful Google Sheets tutorials. See you in the next video.